In this video, you will learn how to subscribe to Netflix. Open a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Go to www.netflix.com. Enter your email address to create or restart a membership. Click on Get Started. Create a password. Click on Next. Create a password to start your membership. Add a password. And click on Next. Choose your plan. Click on Next. Choose the plan that's right for you. You can change or cancel your plan at any time. A basic plan costs €8 monthly. You will get 220p HD video resolution, which means good video quality. A standard plan costs €12 monthly. You will get 1080p Full HD video resolution, which means better video quality. A premium plan costs €16 monthly. You will get 4K HDR plus video resolution, which means the best video quality. With all the memberships, you can watch Netflix on your TV, computer, mobile phone, and tablet. Select the membership that you want by clicking on the red square. And click on Next. Choose how to pay. There are different payment options such as credit card, debit card, PayPal, and gift card. Select your payment option, for example, credit card. Set up your credit or debit card. Fill in your details like first name, last name, card number, expiry date, and security code. Click on the box I agree that my membership will begin and lose my right for a refund. Click on Start Paid Membership. Congratulations! Now you know how to subscribe to Netflix. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.